We all have that one friend that was bitten by a dog during childhood, and it got so traumatized that every time he sees a very cute dog approaching or even hears it barking, he immediately enters into fear mode. Sometimes he stops moving and sometimes he starts running away as far as he can. So I love dogs and I really don't understand. What is happening inside their brain? In which brain regions? And which cells are being stimulated during fear? The brain has been one of the most mysterious organs and is the most difficult to access. On the other hand, fear is a complex emotion related to the exaggeration of our sensations. We all experience some kind of fear, like my friend when he sees a dog. Me, for example, I am terrified of frogs. Whenever I see one, I start sweating, my heart starts beating fast, and I immediately freeze. But I know this is just my brain tricking me, because I'm pretty sure that some of you might think that frogs are kind of cute. But we could also talk about traumatic situations, like veterans that come back from a war, and every time they hear a loud sound, like a truck passing by, they transport themselves back to a life-threatening situation that they experience, like a bomb exploding. And although at different levels, these are all situations in which we tend to recreate our own reality based on what we see, hear, or any other kind of senses. In my lab, we are using mice to study fear. So we put them in a fearful situation for a bit and they freeze. They really stop moving, just like us. And we can see what is happening inside their brains live, using a very tiny and very light microscope. And so they are moving around, doing whatever they want, and we can analyze and link the activity of the neurons with their behavior. So this technique can bring our understanding of emotions to an even higher level. And so it can be used to understand and develop drugs for traumatic situations. Just imagine what it could be to understand how we can trick the brain of my friend to not panic every time a cute dog comes his way. Or maybe mine when I see a frog. But, and most importantly, this can be a huge step to find the cure for serious traumatic situations and for diseases where our reality is distorted, like autism or schizophrenia, or really any disease of the brain. And it will finally help us understand one of the biggest mysteries of this century, the one we all carry right here. Thank you very much.